Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials so everything else runs. Check medication names and exact doses and lay out a 0.5 1-hour window for administration. Once done, place mobility aids where she uses them and clear a 1-meter path to high-traffic areas because trips happen fast. Make sure contact info is reachable: doctor, pharmacy, and one nearby neighbor. Together, these steps prevent urgent scrambling and let you move immediately into daily care with confidence. You now structure the day around predictable routines to reduce stress. Start mornings with quick vitals and medications, then a balanced breakfast of roughly 250-300 kcal to stabilize energy. This helps medication absorption. For hygiene, follow a consistent bathing and oral care schedule and inspect skin daily for pressure points. Once settled, guide a 15-30-minute mobility session, walking or seated exercises, followed by planned rest periods. You complete each day by logging what matters: medications taken, notable symptoms, and weight if applicable, so trends become obvious. Then prepare tomorrow's meds and outfit and place easy-access snacks where she can reach them. This reduces decision fatigue. Make sure a backup plan is visible: emergency numbers, a power backup for necessary devices, and an alternate caregiver ready to step in. If anything goes wrong, call the primary contact and use the backup plan immediately to keep her safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.